ama-president sinamkela kwi-region ephethwe kakubi kakhulu ngabalawuli abakwarhulumente abalawula ngendluzula nangegudu.
Wonke umuntu ukhalile apha ebhayike esithi uyafuna uza apha, abanye basemisebenzini. Kutheni singayisinde weekend nje thina sathi hayi yinto yaka-160 le. Ukuba ngabani yamfuna upresident eNelson Mandela as a region, itshoni, and upresident akazoza apha kun as a region nina less than 10,000 membership.
Tata Kamalala Tata. Sayithatha Nelson Mandela sayithatha. Sayithatha Nelson Mandela sayithatha. Run Ramaphosa run. Run Ramaphosa run. Phansi GNU phansi. Phansi GNU phansi. Phambili ngomsholozi phambili. Mandla. Uzuma wethu Zuma, Uzuma wethu, Uzuma wethu, Uzuma wethu, Noma Saboshwa, Noma Saboshwa, Noma Saboshwa, Noma Saboshwa, Sholozi wethu, Sholozi wethu, Sholozi wethu, Sholozi wethu, Noma Saboshwa.
The time has come, brothers and sisters. Let us free ourselves. Fortunately, it is easy now. It's a question of all of us voting together for ourselves to take the country. And we correct everything that was ever touched by people who said, we are in charge. The bulk of the land belongs to for those who came and found it here and moved us.
Namhlanje si Women's League sijabule kakhulu kuba la eGqeberha, in particular la Ward 60, because besizokwamukela amalunga amasha kwiparty yethu umkhonto wesizwe. Okusijabulisa kakhulu ke ukuthi 90% yabantu abarecruitiwe abajoinile were women, and that means ukuthi we've got a task here now ahead of us ukuthi si mobilize lo mama laba esibarecruitile basebenze mobilize towards ama local government elections, because this city needs to be governed by a party umkhonto wesizwe party. Asidingi coalition yobuxoki ye GNU ezoba under GNU, but we need to take over so that sizokwazi ukuthi sishintshe impilo zabantu la Eastern Cape. Siyabonga.
Igama lami ngu-Andiswanika uComrade Andy apha Eastern Cape. Namhlanje besizokwamkela lamalungu eWard 60 kodwa ekhatshwa ngamanye amalungu ezinye wards akhona. I-event eyenzeke during the week abantu bebecinga bamhlambi nami beninokoyika ndithi abantu ngeke babe khona, abantu baphangele, abantu basezikolweni, kodwa abantu abafuna umkhonto sibabone befika namhlanje kule ndawo. It was more than what I've expected, ngoba mina bendicinga ndizodila no-Ward 60 kanti ndizodila neGqeberha ize kubaba uNqamalala. Sibonga ubaba uNqamalala ngokunyathela kwakhe, because we know after ubaba esuka apha abantu sebezawubona across elizweni ukuba umkhonto ukhona eNelson Mandela, ukhona eEastern Cape. Xa siphuma sisiya kubo bayothi nabo uNqamalala ebekhona uthe iyaphila lento yomkhonto. Lento yomkhonto yinto ye-South Africa, yinto ye-Afrika, yinto yelizwe lonke, ngoba umkhonto uthi asihlanganeni silande izinto zethu, umhlaba wethu, izimbiwa zethu, silande konke okubhilonga kuthi. Akulotyala Moselo. Enkosi kakhulu.